Okay.
Dang, name come on the screen.
That's who I am. We'll just put this on the screen since you don't know nothing about that. You know what I'm saying?
What did you just touch? The lag.
He said the what?
The lag.
The lag. Oh, for navigation. Ain't that bad. It's just the navigation. Well, I guess it just got to get heated up, you see?
Oh, you over there priming the clutch. I see you.
No, I'll be having that little... Just be doing that because of the truck driving. Want to make sure you're in gear. Where we heading there, Jameer?
I can feel the power.
Don't it got just as much power as that Camaro?
No.
I mean, oh, I forgot you do got more power, right? You got like 460 in there too?
More than you.
Dang, treated my little performance pack too.
Oh, this feels great though.
These on the Michelins, mind you, they ain't even supposed to be out like in this type of weather, so you gotta take it easy. Clutch is nice and smooth.
This is great though. Nice little smooth ride.
Just trying to get like the Camaro, right?
Come on, man. Let's address these Mustang haters, man.
What Mustang haters? What Mustang haters could we possibly have? Oh,
Haley
Yeah. We gonna talk to her a little later.
You can't even let her see this video.
Yeah, we gonna talk to her in a minute.
When you reject your girl phone call, man.
No, she'll call back in a minute. I'm sure she will. And that's gonna probably interrupt this video quite a few times.
Rev matching?
Yeah. Which way you want to turn? Left or right?
We gonna make a right.
Right. There you go. See?
Woo-wee!
Smooth car, man.
It's my first ride in the Performance Pack 2, man. 2019. I'm not gonna lie to you. These back seats was not made for a brother like me.
Nah, they was made for kids. Yeah, man. This is like, it's kind of like your old Corvette, man. Just you and your girl or you and your boy in the front seat. Back seat is for a book bag or something. Yeah, this is gonna be...
That boy finna get in trouble.
Hey, man, you got a lot of jokes back there, man.
All right, man. What's the best thing you like about this car so far?
This automatic rear downshift, man. This stuff is nice. Clutch is easy to engage, unlike my last car. And shoot, oh yeah, this heated steering wheel. I think you felt it that one time. That's nice too. Digital cluster gauge. I love everything. Absolutely everything. Let's just put it like that.
Everything.
Absolutely everything.
You know, we like Drake back here, but I got views from the back seat.
Said I got views from the back seat.
It's actually a great ride back here, man.
I forgot which one of these is your block, but we'll just keep going.
Not these two lights. Go down to the red light now.
Okay.
Third light.
Switch the drive modes up on you. Hit that sports mode. You see how the throttle just changed?
Oh, this is sport mode?
Yeah, and then you get a little bit of it. Let me stop around here for the police. Take the Performance Pack 2 to jail. Be over there in jail somewhere.
You do feel the difference when you put it in sport mode.
Yeah, the throttle response is different. Like if I put it in like let's just say it's snowing wet mode, like you can press this thing down a lot and it ain't really gonna gain speed like that.
Make it right.
Woo!
Let me feel the sport mode, man. Let me feel the sport mode.
The sport mode again. You see how the throttle response changed? And I'm got the pressure on my foot the same. Oh, you felt that? Yeah. Yeah, man. So next we're gonna get in the SS Camaro, right?
I don't want to get in my Haley first.
Hey, she won't stop.
Hey, dude, you ain't gonna have a girlfriend by the end of this video.
I told him to call her back. I can't text and drive though, so you know
you ain't finna have. Hey, I'm so sorry that you're not gonna have a girlfriend by the end of this video. Hey man,
you gotta be. I gotta be responsible, man. It's either I'm gonna answer that and be talking and driving, which we don't want that on camera. You know what I'm saying? So,
right.
You know.
So we gonna bust a right at this stop sign.
Oh yeah, Black Hawk.
Them downshifts, man, lovely.
See that dude just ran over the whole curve. You know what? We got to go for a track day though. Like not the drag strip, but the actual track. Man, this thing a monster, man. Woo. I gotta let you see it in track mode too one day. Just ain't gonna be today because it's.
That's all right. We almost 1,000 miles, man.
Yeah, I'm almost there now, so we can get ready to really have a little fun now. Be on the lookout for Dyno Day though.
Dyno Day?
Yeah, Dyno Day. See what it's making.
Look at Inferno. The SS Trailblazer out here.
Man, Trailblazer. We still looking forward to 5.0 versus Trailblazer.
Hey, stop leaking my stuff.
You